First of all, thank you everyone for the warm welcome. It's always great to come to Sri Lanka and play cricket. We as a team are preparing well and looking forward to the series. The energies are high in the team and cannot wait to put a good performance in the series. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. This is Shilas Sahara from the Times of India. Yeah, I my question is for Chahal. Uh, you know, this is perhaps in the senior team you're working with Rahul Dravid for the first time. So what are the kind of inputs that you have taken from him in terms of bowling? You are yourself a very experienced spinner. Like you know how where to bowl, which areas to bowl. But has he been giving you any inputs on where to bowl? And also the second question is looking forward to the T20 World Cup. You know this are the time where the team needs to get settled and everything. So your your focus, what has been your focus lately? You know, given that there were talks about the dip in form of yourself, but you have bounced back in IPL. Like, so your views basically.
Uh, I worked with Rahul sir in during the India series, like couple of series, and he always guided me, especially with my bowling, and I always talk to him, like even in the other stuff too, and he just he just always told me just do whatever you want to do and just be focused on you whatever you're doing right now, and it's just like you are here, you are the senior spinner here, and I just want you to more focus and some guide to the youngsters. And about my performance, like I don't think so it's gonna dip or anything. In every match you can't perform, and I will try my level best. This series is a very important series for me because I want to be, perform here. Then I have IPL, then in the World Cup. So I more focus on that thing only.
Right. Thank you.
Who wants to ask another? I can see. Yes, Varun, you can ask from ESPN.
Thanks. Am I audible?
Yes, audible. Yes, you can.
Yeah,
Go
yeah.
ahead,
My
please.
question, my question is for Yuzvendra Chahal. Yuzvendra, you've mostly played only T20 cricket in majorly only T20 cricket in the last 6 to 8 months. How is getting back into ODI cricket, the preparations for that working out? And specifically, in the middle overs in the ODIs, there's only four fielders allowed outside. So how do you approach that challenge as compared to T20 cricket?
Yeah, we are playing. Especially, I am playing the ODI series after so long. But we already played here, like two matches, two practice matches, so we get to used to of that thing. We always go to the early in the morning to get used to the heat. And yeah, it's like here totally different compared to the 20 overs. You have to be like that ground for like 3.5 hours, and with the extra field with with a less one fielder in the in the outside circle is sometimes it's hard, like someone who sweep or play over covers. But I played for like 5 years for ODIs, and like I played 50 plus matches, so I get to used to of all these things. This is not an excuse or something. And now I just whenever I bowl I just focus on how to batsman get out, and that's it.
You can go in for another two more questions if there is. Yes, Amol Yashwant, you can ask, please.
हाय यूसुफ अमोल फ्रॉम द हिंदू आपने अभी जो बोला कि मैच T20 प्राइमरीली खेल रहे हो आप a lot of it has to do with the fact कि क्रिकेट बहुत कम हो रहा है और सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए लेकिन आप कैसा देख रहे हो आप मतलब इतना कॉन्फिडेंस दिया जा रहा है बात हो रही है टीम मैनेजमेंट से कि पक्का प्लान क्या है फर्स्ट 21 T20 वर्ल्ड कप 22 और फिर ऑब्वियसली 23 का ओडीआई वर्ल्ड कप भी आप कैसा देख रहे हो
सर बात ओबियसली मैनेजमेंट से हम बात होता रहता है, हमारे जो बॉलिंग कोच है उनसे ओबियसली वो कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है तभी हम इधर खेल रहे हैं, वरना अगर वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता तो आई थिंक नो वन इन द टीम। एंड मेरा अभी मेन फोकस अभी मेरा इस सीरीज के लिए ही है, क्योंकि अभी प्रेजेंट में ये चीज़ है। एंड क्रिकेट कम होता है तो इससे वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, लेकिन जो भी सीरीज होता है वी ऑलवेज वांट टू लाइक उस पर परफॉर्म करें। एंड इसके बाद मेरा फोकस आईपीएल होगा, देन वर्ल्ड कप होगा। So अभी right now तो I'm focusing on this tour only.
One more question. Sumitra Bose, can see you are raising your hand. Yes, sir. Sahara, you can ask the final question.
Yeah. Again, I wanted to ask Chahal. You have. It's been a long time that you have come into the scene and you're now experienced. But have you changed your bowling over the years? And are you looking to try something new? Given the time that during the pandemic, we know that you are a thinking cricketer. You play chess and everything. But have you analyzed your game and have you been trying something new? Would we see some new, arsenal in Yuzvendra Chahal's armory?
Uh, See, I have like couple of variation only, so I'm focusing on that only. Like it's not like I can focusing on other deliveries, but you will see like a more confident UZ and on this series, and I just working on my angles and which angle I have to bowl more. So I'm just working on that only.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So with that, ending this virtual event, thank you very much, gentlemen, at the head table, as well as the media for joining in from different parts of the world. And session ends, and looking forward to a great series. Thank you very much.